The Philadelphia Eagles are Super Bowl champions after their win over the Kansas City Chiefs last night in New Orleans. Birds fans here in our area are flying high with plans for a big celebration. News Watch 16's Chelsea Strube explains.
Rodano's on Public Square in Wilkes-Barre is home to the NEPA Bird Gang. Our area's official fan club for the Philadelphia Eagles.
We're number one, baby! Number one in the world! Champions!
Its members are feeling pretty good right now.
I'm feeling awesome, recovering from last night's win. We had an amazing time. The energy was awesome here. Everyone was positive and happy. We were winning. It was just a great time last night.
With many highlights for these loyal fans.
Probably their defense. I'm happy that Cooper DeJean scored because it was his birthday. So, yeah.
The last time the Eagles won the Super Bowl, Nathan was 3.
Go Birds.
And he was running around our house. We had the biggest party in the neighborhood, and he was running around yelling, "Birds, birds, birds, birds." I don't think he understood, but he knew the excitement.
The NEPA Bird Gang will be carrying this year's excitement well into the next football season.
The next week, even though football's over, the Bird Gang, we still get together. We get together for dinner, make plans. So even though football's done, Bird Gang's always never done.
And the gang encourages you to join them.
Yes, we're all positive. We love even, the away teams come on in, get around us, enjoy, we just love, the little bit of trash talk here and there, just the whole energy.
The gang will be organizing a bus trip to Philadelphia for the official Super Bowl celebration, as well as organizing a celebration the day of the St. Patrick's Parade here in Wilkes-Barre. For information on those opportunities to celebrate, visit WNEP.com. Chelsea Strube, Newswatch 16, Wilkes-Barre.